How to cancel Uber Eats order. To cancel an Uber Eats order, you need to follow the steps. Make sure that your application is completely updated to the latest version. Also that you're connected to internet service. To begin with, you want to open the Uber Eats application on your device. And after you actually do this, you have to go to the order section. So you have to click on the profile initials at the top right hand side corner of your screen, and you need to go to the order section. And in the app, you want to select the active order, then go ahead and click on tap help in the top right and select cancel order. After which, you want to follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it, and you may be charged a cancellation fee if the merchant has already accepted and start preparing the order as well. And then you could go ahead and cancel, give a reason, and you could also read the terms and conditions, all that stuff. And this is how you could go ahead and cancel Uber Eats order. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.